Hello, and welcome back to the channel. If you guys could do me a huge favor, like, subscribe, do all that cool stuff, leave a comment, interact with this, because once again, I'm a lot more willing to put a lot more content out the more you guys interact. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into SNX. SNX, it actually posed a little bit of concern for me today because I was just looking at it and I was like, uh-oh, SNX might do something a little dirty to us. Might do something a little dirty. So we can see SNX has been having some trouble getting up to this level of resistance. We were in the pocket. Now we are below it. We do have a little bit of support just below us. So hopefully that holds. Honestly, hopefully that holds. Because if it doesn't, yikes. Danger zone. We're going to basically come down to these lower levels. Possibly put in a lower low. Yeah, a little bearish on this one. So let me get into a why. Anyways, you can see we were in this beautiful little downtrend. However, this basically was a flat bottom. I mean, it's so close to being flat, it's unbelievable. Let's go ahead and drop down to the daily. So the daily is where I'm seeing the issue here. Daily, you can see it almost perfectly. You have your high here back on November 8th, and then you have a lower high on Friday. Lower high, price rolling over with the rest of the market. And the biggest problem here is the relative strength index. You do see much higher levels at a lower price. This is hidden bearish divergence on the daily time frame. This is one of the major time frames. It's something you cannot ignore. You really can't. So you do have this higher levels of strength, lower price. That is an indication of lower prices to come. Something you really should keep in your mind, in the back of your head. You can also see we did have rising levels of momentum, higher buying, lower prices. This is a problem. This is a big problem, and I want you all to remember that. Big problem here. I mean, unless we get invalidated, we get like a little cup handle situation, that would be nice, but as of this moment, it's looking pretty darn bearish. Looking pretty darn bearish. So if we don't hold this level, automatically I expect us to drop all the way back down to $1.56. That's just what I see out of the chart. SNX doesn't look strong at the moment. However, if we can manage to break above this resistance and hold it, $2.78 is our target to break. If not, God, we are toast. So let's hope for the best, because also you can see we had bullish divergence here that indicated this rise up, but now we can see negative momentum is building. And the problem with this negative momentum building, it's already higher than our previous island here. Or nah, maybe it's about even. Okay, it's even already. So that's something we do have to worry about. This could end up catching a lot more follow through, make a lot more selling. Could be a big time issue on the daily time frame. Let's go ahead and drop down to the 4 hour so we can get a better idea of what's going on. Now on the 4 hour, you have this nice uptrend. You ended up consolidating slightly. Now it does look like we're trying our best to flag out. Trying our best. But this flag, it's a little iffy. A little iffy. But we do have a flag there. If this does play out to the upside, you do have a huge upside target. Because you did break out, you back tested on that, and you back tested twice. Further confirmation. So you would take this entire length of the move and act like I've been here before. Come on. All right. We'll take the entire length of the move, and then upon a breakout and back test, you could see the price back up here at $3.37. The only problem I'm seeing is that bearish divergence on the daily, because you have a high and a lower high. That is concerning. The only way you invalidate this is if you do get this positive break to the upside and then get a higher high. So until that happens, we have to stay bearish. We just have to. SNX does not look strong at all until you break this level. So hopefully you guys are getting a little bit of info out of this. Hopefully it's helping you out. I mean, we can even see on the 1 hour, we got overbought with this tiny little move up from our little support. So in the short term even, we could come straight back down to this level of support before trying to make a move to the upside. But it just seems like buyers are not interested at these levels. That's just what I see out of the charts. Hopefully we don't go down lower because let's see, on the 1 hour, 1 hour we did put in a little bit. No, we didn't. We didn't even put in bullish divergence. Didn't even put in bullish. Oh wait, yes, we have a little bit of hidden bullish divergence. There it is. Got a low, lower low on price, higher volume. Okay, on the 1 hour we have bullish divergence. The 1 hour could save us. So short term, if we stay put, we hang out in here long enough, very good for price. That daily, that's the scary part. So be cautious. Be cautious. Right now, the stochastic RSI is way too high to try and enter along. The advantage right now, actually, sadly, is to the downside. So you would expect price to come back down here to $2.98, $2.09, $2.09.8, whatever, before seeing an upside. That could happen overnight. Could not. Market's a little funky right now. Hopefully this helps you out. Hopefully your trades are going well. But SNX, I needed to get this one out because it looks a little scary. Take it easy. Oh, also follow me on Twitter, and I have a link down below with a new Discord, and I'm posting charts in there now. Lots of charts on Twitter, lots of charts on Discord. A lot more charts will be on Discord, so definitely jump into the Discord. And yeah, stay up to date with all the trading that I'm doing because we all should become 10 millionaires by the end of the next bull run. All right, take it easy. I'm out of here. Deuces.